In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make DuckDuckGo my default browser. Making an app your default browser means that whenever you tap a web link in email, messages, or other apps, your device will open that link in the browser you chose. No extra prompts, just a smooth handoff every time. If you prefer DuckDuckGo for its privacy features and simple interface, setting it as the default is a quick win. Start by opening the DuckDuckGo browser app on your device. Make sure it's the full browser app and not just a search shortcut or widget. The icon should launch a complete browser window. If the app has recently updated, give it a second to load its home screen. Next, look for the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines, usually located at the top right or top left corner of the screen. Tap that to open the app's main menu. This is where DuckDuckGo places key options you'll need for setup and privacy controls. Inside the menu, find the option that says, Set DuckDuckGo as default browser. The wording might vary slightly by device or region, but it will clearly mention making DuckDuckGo the default. If you don't see this option, it typically means your device doesn't support changing the default browser, or it's restricted by your operating system version or a work profile. Most modern versions of Android and iOS support changing the default, but some older devices or managed devices may not show this option. When you tap the Set as Default option, your device will automatically open a system settings screen to confirm the change. This is normal. Your operating system requires a confirmation to make sure you're choosing this intentionally. You might see a list of available browsers or a dedicated screen that highlights DuckDuckGo as a choice. Go ahead and confirm the prompt to make DuckDuckGo your default browser. Follow any on-screen confirmation such as selecting DuckDuckGo from a list and acknowledging the change. Once that's done, the system will save your preference and return you to your previous screen. From now on, links you tap in other apps should open in DuckDuckGo by default, giving you the privacy protections and tracking protections the browser is known for. If at any point you don't see the option appear in the app, it's often due to device limitations or an outdated system version. Updating your operating system or the DuckDuckGo app can help, but if the option still isn't there, your device may simply not support default browser changes. And that's it. Quick, clear, and done. Enjoy browsing with DuckDuckGo as your default.